Hi everyone, how are you doing today? I will unbox my beauty box of September. So if you see, it's come like this. I have already opened it because I was very curious to know what they have sent me. So it comes like this, if you can see. Yeah. And this box is valued for 60 euros. So yeah, I'm saying it's not a bad thing. So yeah, they sent me this spray, this photo pose spray. If you can see how it is like a cream. It is like a thick lotion you use after the sun, and it is made in Spain. Yes, made in Spain. Body lotion spray help relieve redness and burning sensation caused by the sun, soften and smooth the skin for all type of skin. So yeah, this I have do my research. Yes, this it is sold in I don't know. You can get it everywhere from Amazon, even from Amazon. It is sold for 20-50 euros. So yeah, I would say it is a good. It is a full size product. Yeah, I really like it and I will use it. Thank you. The second product they sent me this. This is by Mesoda. Mesoda. It is a top coat. Yes, top coat effect gel. So yeah, I saw it on. I see the price on the official site is 6 euros. Eyes hydrate and even helps you to yeah, it nourishes your hair. So I think this is a travel size. So how to use it? Apply it on wet hair and massage and leave it for 3 minutes and rinse well. So yeah, it's like a classical hair mask. So yeah, this is the third product, and the third and the fourth product is that, if you can see, this is a juice skin. It is by Shaka. Yeah, it is by Shaka. It is a face mask. You use it on your face and let it for 5 minutes and you rinse it with water. It's like a, yeah, this is a travel size. It is 20 ml. So yeah, it is good for, it is like a mascara vitamin mix, and it is said is all natural products. So yeah, I'm excited for this product too. And the fifth product is this one, Lichtana. It is a Italian, I think it's made in Italian. Yeah, it is a Italian brand. So you use it when you have red skin, when you have burnt skin, I don't know. Then no, calming your skin if you have dry skin, if you have rosacea. It is good for rosacea if you have you are very sensitive skin. Yes, this is the perfect one. I would say yeah, I can use it, and you can use it anywhere of the body, in any parts of your body. Okay, and spring gel. Wait. How much it costs? I say, uh, it costs. This costs about 20-50, and it is a full size. Yeah, this is a full size. So I got two products full size. So yeah, I'm happy. It helps to calm down your skin if you have very dry skin, very irritated skin. So yeah, this is a good one. And let's see how it is. It comes like this simple one. Let's see, it has my smell. It is protected. No. No. Have a smell of, I don't know. Yeah. I'm very excited for this product to try it. So yeah, this is a fifth product. So yes, let's try another. And the last one they gave me this Sumita eyeliner dome. So yeah, Sumita. I search. This is a product for made in USA because I never heard this brand. This is Sumita. So if you can see, it has very dark. It is very pigmented and it is very creamy, like buttery formulation. So I will say yeah, I like it. And it is how much? Yeah, it is a travel size. You can see it's very small, and you use and no, it doesn't move. So yeah, the packaging is so beautiful. I like it. And yeah, this is a brand thing. Even they sent me this shampoo. It is a shampoo and you use it. So you can see it is the both. The shampoo, first the shampoo, then the moss. The two products. Yeah, and yeah, they didn't tell me anything. So I would say this box is not bad because you got a good size of ice pencil, a hair mask, a mascara, a mask, face mask. This is for nail, as a top coat. And this is for after holiday. You have been burned by the sun. It is a good spray lotion. Yeah, spray lotion for your skin. It will love it. So yeah, it is full size. I didn't know this brand. It is by EDN. This is the product. And the last one is this product. So I will say they give me free product full size. So yeah, I'm happy because when you get your full products to use, it's very nice than a sample size or a travel size. So yeah, if you can see, the boxes are like this, and I really like this box. And I will say yeah, it's good. I did a good deal, and it costs around 60 euros. So yeah, then we will meet another video because I need to do my Look Fantastic unboxing. So we meet the next video, and stay tuned. So bye bye and take care. Bye bye. Ciao. 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 Ciao.